This is an audio production test.
I'll play something that I made in a second and then add 3 audio effects on it. Leave your guesses in the comments and we'll go over it afterward. Let's go.
Shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. If you want it all, put it on the line. It's the only life we got, so you gotta live it big time. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose. Go and shake it up, what you gotta lose. Go and make it love with the life you choose.
All right, experts. I would have a very hard time trying to do this. I have faith in myself that if I tried this test that I would be able to maybe get it after a while, but it would take definitely a minute for me. First thing, I boosted the highs by about 3 dB on a shelf at 10K. Fun fact, if you're like above 50, this is almost impossible for you to hear unless you took really good care of your hearing. The average listening degradation at 50 years old is about 12,000 hertz max. This might have meant nothing to you at all, but if you're below 50, there's no excuse. You should have got this. For real though, it's a super subtle thing. It makes the vocal a little bit brighter, a little bit louder, but it was there. My favorite for the end, but the second thing that changed, you might have noticed the vocal got a little louder. I did this test for my dad and he said that he got it exactly right, but couldn't put a name to what it was. He said that it seemed like within individual words, the volume was leveled out more. It would like get louder within the certain word. And that is exactly what this effect did. I lowered the release time on the compressor that I have from about 300 milliseconds to almost nothing on this FabFilter C2. What this is doing is wanting to raise the volume back up to an original signal level after it ducks it down very, very quickly. So within a word, you're going to have the compressor wanting to raise the volume back up. With a long release time, it takes a long time, and within a word, the compressor can't release the vocal back up to an original level. You could physically see that in the 2 EQs here. One seems more volatile and pushing the volume up more on the final output, and the first one only kind of reduces it by a very subtle effect. Last one, my favorite one of all of these. It's a very, very important one, and I think it made the vocal come up more in your face more than any of these things here. The reverb had a longer pre-delay on the second one. It might have even sounded like the reverb got longer. That would be like a very, very good guess. But what it's actually doing is just shifting the reverb track 100 milliseconds after it normally would come in. Like I've said in many other videos, pre-delay just makes it so that you seem closer to the audience member or the listener. Check out this video if you want to know more about pre-delay. But that's what's going on. It just takes a little bit more than 100 milliseconds more in the second effect for the reverb to attack and hit your ears. All right, if you liked this one, go try to body all the rest of them. And if you like this one, leave a like down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace.